ہم یہاں پہ اناگرل کر رہے ہیں اپنے ایونٹ کا، جو ہم عورتوں کی لٹریچر میں جدوجہد، ان کا کام، ان کی کوششیں اور جو ان کی کنٹریبیوشن ہے اس کو ہم سیلیبریٹ کر رہے ہیں، اس کو ہم منانا چاہ رہے ہیں، جو کہ نومبر میں ہوگا 5 دن۔
Benazir Bhutto Women University, Peshawar is worth admiration to serve the women of the nation with establishment of such a platform. The university has the distinction of empowering women and making a significant contribution to their education and development in all aspects. Ladies and gentlemen, as part of this ongoing effort, a 5-day first Women Literature Festival has been organized through collaboration between the university and the Friendship Welfare Organization. This festival is unique in its nature, being the first and the only event of its kind where women from different regions, colleges and universities gather under one roof to share their thoughts, ideas and theories. The festival includes book fair, talk shows, provides a platform for women to highlight their literary talents, present their creative masterpieces and receive appreciation through interaction with the audience.